We're on the boat. This is WheelTips Joe with Taggy Lou. We on Access View. We got the back of Taggy Lou's head. Hey y'all, we're on the water. We're getting ready to take off from the dock. In this video, we're going to show you one simple step that you can do now to make your boat wheelchair accessible so wheelchair users can get on and off the boat from their personal wheelchairs. And I'll give you some wheel tips and bonus tips along the way. Plus 2 freebies just for you. I'm WheelTips Joe. This is WheelTips Wednesday right now.
Hey, WheelTips Joe!
And don't be surprised when you get tipped. If you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button at the bottom of the screen to be notified when new videos are uploaded for your viewing pleasure. This boat is not wheelchair accessible, and that's a problem. The guy that I just pointed to has told me they would have to lift me up out of my wheelchair to take me on to that boat. The truth is, most wheelchair users don't like being picked up by someone else. We would like to use a ramp to get on and off the boat. Please leave a note in the comments section to let me know whether or not you would like to be picked up or use a ramp. If you want to ride in an accessible boat, you can. If you want to buy a portable ramp, please click the link below. Wheel tip: get a portable ramp, it will come in handy. Wheel tip: make sure your yachts or boats, gangway or passerelle is functionally accessible whether you're at the shore or dock. This dock has a ramp passageway, so this pontoon boat can pull up parallel to the dock. Wheel tip: make sure the boat's boarding doors are at least 32 inches wide for wheelchair access. Bonus tip: go down the ramp backwards for safety. Forward, you go down it backwards and you lean forward to keep your balance. Just like this. And you look and make sure that your wheels can go down on both sides. And that's how you come down a ramp.
Without falling over.
Without falling over. Thank you, Captain Mick.
All right.
And
R. That's
R.
a pirate's favorite letter. R.
R. Bonus tip: secure the locking pins with the chain on the portable ramp to keep it from moving. As promised, I have 2 freebies for you. I have 2 free resources that you can use to go boating in South Florida. Links are below in the description section. First, you can go boating, fishing, and swimming with Captain Mick down in Key Largo, Florida on a pontoon boat. And when you're in Miami, see Harry Horgan, president and founder of the Shake a Leg Foundation in Coconut Grove. You can go sailing, boating, fishing, and kayaking. They also have the Impossible Dream Yacht. Everything is wheelchair accessible and disability friendly. There are many steps in boating for wheelchair accessibility, but getting on the boat itself is still the first step. Let's make accessibility a priority by removing architectural barriers. If you have a yacht, you can go anywhere in the world. If there is accessibility, people with disabilities can too. If you want to make your boat or yacht wheelchair accessible and disability friendly, please contact me. If this video and these wheel tips appeal to you, do get in contact. I would love to further discuss accessibility solutions with you. How did you like this video? Give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Share it with your friends if you like. Subscribe, hit that button. Your support will help us make more videos. You have just been tipped by WheelTips Joe.
fish that hadn't been known to eat humans. Okay? And that's a wheel tip. Alligators may be another story, okay? If you eat a crocodile, you get fined. You go to jail.
Big fine if you eat crocodile.